Basically, flag I, suppose that process Pi wants to do some critical task to enter data into a critical section. So what flag I wants to true, turn J, there is an I and J, turn its J, while flag J and turn J both are true, then it enters into a critical section. Otherwise, if the process I, other process wants to enter into the critical section, then what flag I says that no, it is false. At what time? When the other process is entered into the critical section, then it says flag I to false. For what? To meet these all requirements true, isn't it? Now we are able to understand about what is race condition. Race condition basically when two or more processes are reading or writing some shared data, like we shared some data uh, to for reading or writing some final result. It depends on some final result, isn't it? Like if we are sharing some data to read and write, both are simultaneously going on. So these can be occurs, like there can be fault can be occurred simultaneously. This is called a race condition. Race condition occurs when two or more operations occurs in defined manner, isn't it? Undefined manner is called a race condition. And other one, race conditions should be avoided because they can use fine error in applications and are difficult to debug. We wants to read the same task from the shared data with a number of uh, different processes, so it is difficult to debug, isn't it? This is called a race condition. Like here we understand for with the example, we read wants to read the x data, x equals x plus 10, and x another process, this is called x is also x plus 10. Now here is an data which is shared. Now x equals, it reads x equals 10. Now x plus 10, 10 plus 10 is called 20. Now it also reads x plus s, 10 plus 10 is called 20. Now that another data, it fault. Why fault? Because it is shared data. Now it have to must goes into a different sections. This is called a race condition. Thank you.